Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Spencer. Today, we are going to start step 5 of the research process. So if you could start by going to Courses, go to Our Course, A4, then click the Research Project folder. You'll then see a new folder titled Step 5, Finding Your Country's Health Rating. Today is an exploration into the theme of our school, which is STEM. When you click this folder, you're going to find a PDF entitled World Health Rating Scale Student Worksheet. You will also receive a physical copy of this in class. You'll also see an assessment entitled World Health Rating. Let's first click the World Health Rating Scale PDF and take a look at what it consists of. Once you open that file up, you will see that it's asking for your name, the country that you chose, and then it's asking for you to use the health profile data sheet below to find the information about your country. And on the physical piece of paper that you're provided in class, it is expected that you use the data profile sheet down below to fill in the blanks provided to you. Once you are done with that, you scroll down, and again it asks for more information in regards to the profile sheet, which is on page 2. You're going to fill in your information on every blank line that you see provided, and when you get down to here, you're going to do the total number divided by 7, and that's going to give us our health rating for that particular country that you have chosen. The data profile sheet has a vast list of countries, and most definitely should cover all of the countries that we had provided to us in class. If your country is not on there, please raise your hand and let me know, and I will come and assist you with any issues we might have with that. Once you are done completing the World Health Rating Scale student worksheet, I need you to go back to the Step 5 folder and click the World Health Rating Assessment. When you click that, 4 questions will come up. You are expected to respond to each question in a short answer. I do expect that you add some elaboration for each. If you notice, the first question is worth 1 point, whereas the second question is worth 3. So this second question, you really should be elaborating and explaining why the health rating for your country is good or bad. Whereas question number 1 simply asks for the name of your country. Once you are done with that, you have completed all of the steps for today. What I encourage you to do is to look back at the other steps that we have completed in class and make sure that you have fully met all of the expectations for those steps. That way you ensure that you earn full credit for those assignments. If you have any questions about today's expectations, please raise your hand and I will come over to you. Also remember to follow BARC at all times, believing in yourself, being aware of your surroundings, respecting your peers and staff, and being kind to one another while we are learning. I appreciate your time, and if you have any questions today, please again raise your hand and I will come over to you. Thank you very much.